In today's video, we're gonna pretend I'm stranded on a desert island, and I'm gonna tell you which 5 shoes I would take with me. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Everybody knows I've got a large collection of bespoke shoes, pushing 15 pairs right now. But let's pretend that something were to happen and somehow I was stranded on a desert island. Now, of course, if I was on a desert island, I'd still be dressing formally, we'd have formal luau's at night, and I'd still be wearing impeccable footwear. So in this video, I'm gonna go through the top 5 shoes that I would take with me. Now, this video is less about ranking those shoes or the specific shoes, and more about the styles that if anyone were to choose just 5 shoes, these are the shoes that you would wanna choose. Now, of course, if you like this video, help us out, give us a thumbs up, comment, and share, because that'll help this video reach more people. And of course, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. Now, if I was gonna be arriving on a desert island, of course, there's a social pecking order on that island. We're probably gonna be dressing a little bit casually before I have a chance to interject myself. And so the first pair of shoes that I would take with me would be my bespoke George Cleverly alligator Baron DeRidi shoes. Now, this is a great casual shoe that is versatile. It's burgundy, which allows me to wear it with either blacks and grays, but I could even dress it down if I needed to. God forbid, if I was wearing shorts with no socks, I could still wear this shoe with it. And what I love about this is that although it is a casual, it is still incredibly unique because it's being made out of alligator. Now, of course, this isn't just any colored alligator shoe. This is the George Cleverly limited edition Cleverly Cabernet, as they call it. So it's a beautifully distinct shoe, incredibly unique, and one that certainly would get a lot of use. Now, of course, on a desert island, you never know what you're gonna bump into, what type of wildlife might be there, so it'll always be nice to have my alligator shoes protecting me. Now, next, you need a good cap-toe Oxford, and so the next shoe that I would choose would be my bespoke brown semi-brogues from Foster & Sons. Now, this is a beautiful shoe. It's one of the best fitting shoes I have. You can all see the unboxing on this channel. It's a nice casual Oxford, so it's still dressy. You can see it has a good degree of broguing. But the brown is going to give this shoe versatility. It can be dressed down. I can wear it on the weekends. And this is just a beautiful shoe and an absolutely marvelous lace-up. I love the punching on the cap that, again, gives this visual interest and texture. You can see all the broguing patterns of the semi-brogue. And remember, the original purpose of broguing was to allow the shoes to drain. So if I was walking around the island and were unfortunately caught by a wave, the broguing in this shoe would help the shoe drain. Of course, every shoe wardrobe, and especially a shoe wardrobe of 5 shoes, needs a nice mix and balance between casual models, more formal models, and colors. I wouldn't want to choose just 5 black shoes, although in my wardrobe I have 5 black shoes. But that said, you need a nice formal black shoe. And so my next choice would be my black bespoke Dimitri Gomez shoes. These are a semi-brogue shoe also, but you can see, unlike the Foster & Sons, they don't have any broguing, or they don't have a medallion on the cap. So again, this would be slightly more formal, both in style, but also in color. So if I needed to dress up more formally, maybe there was a business meeting or someone was coming that we needed to barter with on the island, I wanted to dress up a little bit, but still be a little bit casual, this black cap-toe semi-brogue would be an exceptional shoe to wear. Now, continuing that along, I want some versatility and some diversity in my range of shoes. I only get 5 to choose from. And so my next shoe would be another very special model. This is my bespoke George Cleverly split-toe Derby in the Russian reindeer. So again, it's a split-toe Derby. It's a more casual shoe. I could dress this shoe down, but it still has something interesting about it. It's made out of their famous Russian reindeer. So this is made out of a leather that is over 200 years old. And I like the visual detail of the hand-sewn apron. It's got the nice kind of seamless split toe, so it still has some detail on this shoe. And again, this is a great shoe. It's a Derby, so if I need to loosen the laces a little bit more room because maybe I've been hanging out on the island a little bit too long, this is a great shoe. Another element I love about the Russian reindeer is that it's got incredible history. So if I'm lonely, need someone to speak to, there's no doubt that this would be a great pair of shoes to speak to because it's got incredible history. It's been around for a while. And another element is that the Russian reindeer has an incredibly familiar smell. So if I'm a little homesick, looking for something to remind me of what life was back home, this is a great shoe. I think I'll call you Vladimir. Now, before we get to the last and most important shoe, there is an honorable mention that I would like to point out. This isn't one I wanted to include in this beautiful layout of 5 dress shoes, but this is a very important shoe that you certainly might want also, and that is this Rider Boot Suede Chukka boot. Now, this is a desert boot that was invented by the British Army whenever they were in northern Africa. It's suede, so it's incredibly durable and easy to maintain. And then the crepe sole is perfect for walking on hot surfaces like sand or concrete, which makes this a great travel shoe. It's relatively waterproof. I mean, with something like the Saphir Supernova, you can spray this and make it totally waterproof. The sole isn't going to allow any water to soak through. And so this is a great boot. As you can see, it's gotten a lot of use, a lot of rough use. And so this would be another shoe that you might want to consider, but we're going to leave it out for this video. Now, last but not least, and certainly the most important shoe that if I only had 5 to choose from, I would take with me, is my black cap-toe Oxford from Dominique Casey. Now, no wardrobe is complete without the black cap-toe Oxford. This, of course, is the most versatile shoe you could own. With a nice mirror shine, this would be perfect for my formal luau with my white tux. And the black cap-toe Oxford is just such a versatile shoe. I can wear it to business meetings during the day. I could wear it for black tie. This shoe is incredibly versatile and really never one that I travel without. If I'm traveling, I almost always have a black cap-toe Oxford with me. These 5 shoes right here represent a nice variety of styles and colors that if you were to only have 5 shoes, or if you're someone that is looking to build a wardrobe, you would really want to organize around. From most versatile up, these shoes are shoes that really could be worn for 20 plus years in really all situations. You really don't need much more than these. You've got your formal black cap-toe Oxford. You could wear it daytime business. You could wear it for black tie. You've got a nice casual split-toed derby that's perfect for the weekend or any more casual situations. I've got another formal black shoe. This is a semi-brogue cap-toe. It doesn't have a medallion, so it's still a beautiful shoe, perfect for dressing up, but slightly more casual than the black cap-toe Oxford. I've got another cap-toe Oxford, but this is a brown semi-brogue. It's got punching on the toe cap, so slightly more formal than the split-toed derbies, but still a casual shoe that's versatile. And then finally, I have a nice casual. This is a slip-on, but it's a little bit more of a formal example of a slip-on because it's in this burgundy alligator. So something that I can still wear casually, but that's going to stand apart from any other casual shoe or slip-on that I could have. These are my 5 desert island shoes. Please let me know what you think in the comments section below, and more importantly, share what your 5 desert island shoes would be. In today's video, I'm wearing my bespoke blue fresco suit from Chris Despis. It has patch pockets and a tab trouser. I'm wearing one of our new Kirby Allison Sovereign Grade Macclesfield tie. As you can see, this tie ties a beautiful knot and has a great hand. If you haven't checked out our new permanent collection of Sovereign Grade ties, make sure you visit hangerproject.com or click the link in the description below. I'm also wearing a white woven linen pocket square from Seaman Oak Godard with some nice subtle blue striping. We also have a great collection of Seaman Oak Godard pocket squares. I'm also wearing a bespoke linen and cotton blend shirt from Charvet. This features a nice blue and white vertical stripe. Today I'm wearing my Chopard perpetual calendar watch with the retrograde date, and I put on it my midnight blue alligator watch strap. I'm wearing my favorite Sovereign Grade small dot melange dress socks in brown and my brown Baron de Reedy pigskin loafers. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. And please visit us at hangerproject.com, where we have the largest collection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care products in the world, as well as an incredible selection of the finest ties in the world, like this blue Macclesfield tie that I'm wearing today.